OH is displacing or substituting Br. That means the nucleophile, one nucleophile, OH ion, is substituting the Br minus. Hence, we call it as a nucleophilic substitution reactions. I hope the meaning is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the point. These alkyl halide. What kind of alkyl halide is CH3Br is? Is it primary, secondary, or tertiary?
Ma'am, it is primary.
Very good. It is primary. Right. So actually the SN1 and SN2 mechanism depends whether you have a primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, or a tertiary alkyl halide. If you have primary alkyl halide, then always the SN2 mechanism takes place. And if you have the tertiary alkyl halide, then always the SN1 mechanism takes place. I will come to this point. Why is it so? Why primary are undergoing SN2 and tertiary are undergoing SN1?
And ma'am, secondary?
Secondary, the case of secondary depends on the nature of solvents. It may undergo SN1, it may undergo SN2, but it depends on the conditions, right? But
Okay.
I will give you the order SN2. What is the order for SN2 and what is the order for SN1? That I will explain you in these 5-6 points in the demo class only, right? So now, second point, I was saying that the SN1 reaction follows, it's written SN1 reaction follows first order kinetics and SN2 reaction follows second order kinetics. What do we mean by first order kinetics and second order kinetics? It means that the rate of reaction, rate means speed of reaction,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Whether it depends on the concentration of alkyl halide only, or it depends the concentration of alkyl halide as well as nucleophile, because you the reaction which you have written, you have CH3Br and QH. If the rate is depending only on the concentration of CH3Br, then it would be of first order kinetic, because one reactant ki concentration pe the rate of reaction is depending, right? And if the rate of reaction is depending on both the concentration of reactant as well as the concentration of nucleophile, it means it is depending on the concentration of two things. Hence, it is called as second order kinetics. That means the speed of reaction in SN1 only depends on the concentration of alkyl halide, whereas the speed of reaction in SN2 mechanism depends on alkyl halide, as well as you can see where my mouse is moving, as it's on depending on alkyl halide as well as OH ions, right? I hope you can see my page now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you see where my mouse is moving. Here in the second point in SN2, it is depending on CH3Br as well as OH ions. Whereas if you see rate is depending only on the concentration of alkyl halide. Here I have written tertiary. Here I have written primary alkyl halide.
Yes, ma'am.
Getting my point?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Then coming to the mechanism, SN1 mechanism, and what actually the SN1 mechanism is and what actually the SN2
So,
mechanism
ma'am,
is.
SN1 mechanism, like it has tertiary, like it has tertiary carbon.
It happens in case of tertiary alkyl halide. Right? Tertiary alkyl halide means when the carbon get, see again my mouse, when the carbon gets surrounded by three alkyl group, that
Carbon.
carbon is called as tertiary,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So now how this mechanism takes place, SN1 and SN2.
So, ma'am,
Again,
SN1 depends on the rate of reaction, whereas SN2 mechanism depends upon the alkyl halide and the nucleophile.
rate nahi. Again, I'm saying SN1 reaction depends on the concentration of alkyl halide only, right?
Okay, okay.
Whereas SN2 depends on concentration of alkyl halide as well as concentration of nucleophile,
Nucleophile. Mm.
right? So the power of CH3Br is 1, power of OH is 1, hence the sum comes out 2, hence it is second order reaction. Again, I'm saying because I just got a call, so I'm not using pen, otherwise later on I will be using the pen and all everything here. right? And here just I'm clicking the mouse because my pen is presently not with me, right? So whereas in case of this, you can see primary mein again SN1 mein you come back and see this is